When I call white team, that's your team. When I call blue team, that's your team. When I call green team, that's your team. When I call yellow team, your team. Okay, this is what we're doing. We're looking for how long or short. We're looking for the shortest length right now. For shorter than all of these lines. Okay? So I'm gonna find where it is and put how long it is. That's why you have these.
What are those called? Rulers. Rulers, yeah.
That's what are the rulers for. So when I call yellow team, you have to find which one's short. When I call green team, find which one's short. Blue team, same thing. Oh, the little. There. And when I call your team, same thing. Okay? Let's go. Write the number of how long it is.
Will you show them how to use the ruler?
And this is what you do.
Say, may I please borrow this real quick?
May I please borrow this? Have to do this. Put it on the lines. And if you know how long it is, write it down anywhere here or say, Ahlaura, I found it, and you can write it up here. Okay?
Is it time for them to write? Time for them to look?
Okay. Yellow team.
Yellow team. She wants to know the measure of your...
But where do I write it? On the desk?
On the desk, or if you want to write it on the board, she said you could write it on the board.
And then you're going to label it like this.
For all of them?
Mm-hmm. Do you want to watch?
Yes, you have an observer. She's observing your lesson to make sure that you're doing a really good job. Okay, walk around, make sure they're doing it right. If they're doing it right, go, good job. You got it. They look confused, help them out. Looks like he's doing good. Does he look like he's doing good?
No, I counted 7 and his is a different answer.
That's okay, but does it look like he's measuring it properly? He's looking at the ruler and the numbers? Okay, then allow for that slightly different number and make sure that he gets some praise.
Oh, you said all of them.
Yeah, ma'am, you did. You said look for the links of all of them.
Nuh-uh. I said shorter than all of them.
Oh, shorter than all of them. Yeah, we were all confused.
Well, Miss, I have a question. Do we measure up to the line or where it ends?
We're looking for the measurement, not counting how long it is all by itself.
Can I write my answer on the board?
Of course.
So I'm not sure that you answered her question. She asked where on the line does she measure to?
Up to here or up to there?
Over this part is the measure. And we're not looking at these, we're looking at this one.
Okay, but where does she measure it to? From where does she start until where does she end to get her measure?
Where did we start at? She started here.
Okay, is that where you wanted her to start? Okay, and where does she end? Is that the right space to end? Okay, so you said that's right. Tell her that's right. And make sure you give her a big smile and you say, good job.
Good job.
There you go.
I got this one.
Okay, but we're not looking at.
We're not looking at the others yet.
There you go.
Okay, everyone got their answers? You gonna check on them?
And with no pictures right now.
Can I write on the board?
Sir. You're doing good. Great job. High five. We're not looking at these.
Not those yet, Nick.
We're looking at these.
Sorry.
I'm gonna go write down my answer. May I go write down my answer?
Of course. Except if you want to write on the board, it's okay. You may.
So they don't need to ask your permission anymore? They can just come up and write their answers?
And here's my answer. 7. Okay. Now, if you think it's good, raise your hand. Okay. I'll come around and erase the numbers, and then we're gonna look for the tallest, taller than all of them,
Longer.
longer than all of them.
Okay, so nice clear instruction. Can you please find the measure of the longest line? Ahlaura, go ahead. No, you have to instruct them.
Okay. If you know where the longest line is, it goes up to here. And have to count them with them together all the way up to the end of the line, right there.
Show them how to measure that.
And if you don't know how, write the numbers along the way.
Okay. You know, I would love even half of the attentiveness you're giving her in my class.
Oh. Maybe in your class, I don't really like anything. It's kind of hard.
It's kind of hard. So you're only this attentive because it's kind of easy?
Well, not that it's easy, but there's not a lot of people.
Yeah, it's a much smaller group. It's definitely easier to focus in a smaller group, isn't it?
What's your name?
Ahlaura.
Ahlaura.
So she's teacher Ahlaura today.
That's unique, Ahlaura. Yeah, it is.
Okay, go ahead and wrap up your lesson, hon, because we're running out of time, and that way we can get to our next item.
Mom, but I'm not done.
I know, but you have a 10-minute presentation. You've got a minute left, so take a minute to summarize and sum up. Numbers are getting bigger and bigger over there, aren't they? Ahlaura.
Miss is really smart, right? She is. She's really smart, man.
Yeah. Thank you.
Because, like, when she's in class, she answers, like,
Most of the questions,
Yes.
she knows the congruent and everything.
Really?
Like, what? Really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
she even like almost solved the problem
What
last
period
week.
do you guys have?
First.
8th period? Oh, you have 1st period?
Yeah, they have me 8th period, and she gets dropped off before last bell rings.
Yeah, she's really smart.
All right, so Han, your 10-minute presentation is up. Can you please summarize what we did so that they know what the takeaway was? Oh, that was really politely done, my dear. I've got to learn how to do that. You going to summarize it for us, please? I know you want to keep going, but we've got other things we have to accomplish today, and your 10 minutes presentation is up, so please summarize.
Okay, this is the end of today. Tomorrow, I'll keep going. Right now, we're up to here. And then that's the end of my